Righty okay, righty up. Tits up in family court. There can only be a few reasons. I think I've got about 5. If you stay with me till the end of this video, you'll know exactly what they all are, and you should be able to avoid them. And look, before you start crying into your copy of The Rational Male or scribbling angry Reddit posts about how a feminist plant or some secret government psyop, hear me out, just hear me out, because here's the real shit that no one wants to talk about or say out loud. A huge chunk of men screw themselves in the family court because they refuse to look in the mirror. No, it's not just the courts. It's not just the judges. It's not just your ex-wife's lawyer wearing a suit so sharp it could cut glass. Yes, sometimes the system's unfair. Yes, there are biases that's real. But do you know what else is real? Personal fucking responsibility. You see, everything starts and ends with us. You are in life. It's a direct consequence to the choices you made yesterday and the day before that and the day before that and all the days that you were too busy blaming everyone else to stop and think, hey, is it me? Am I the drama? The blame game. Let's talk about blame. Blame is seductive. It's a seductive mistress. It's easy to blame the system. It's easy to blame your ex. It's easy to blame the judge. But the real reason so many men crash and burn in family court, they never take the time to ask the stoic question, what part of this situation did I create? I create. Because newsflash, folks, the world doesn't just happen to you. You happen to the world. Look, if your entire marriage was a shit show of yelling, cheating and disappearing for weekends with your boys, spending the mortgage on crypto and OnlyFans, guess what? The judge is going to look at you like you're some fucking radioactive creature. And that's not feminism, that's common sense. Own your shit, man. You want to survive family court? Hell, you want to survive life? 2 words. Oh, no, 3. Own your shit. Admit where you went wrong. Stop spinning stories that paint you as the eternal victim. Understand that courts don't award custody to the perfect people. They award it to the person who looks like they're a stable grown-up. And that means owning your shit. And here's the kicker. Folks. If you walk into court radiating bitter rage, screaming about the evil family law system, crying conspiracy, refusing to pay child support because the courts are corrupt, guess who looks like the unstable one? Guess. Spoiler alert. It's you. Anyway, it's philosophy time now. Marcus Aurelius once said, you have the power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength. Look, the judge might not have been fair. Your ex might be difficult. The laws might suck. But you know what? You know what you can control? Your attitude, your preparation, your accountability. Every man in family court has a choice. Blame everyone else and keep spiraling out of control. Or take the radical ownership and start to build a path forward. Because the truth is, you're exactly where you're supposed to be. Not because the universe is cruel, but because all of your choices stacked up and built this very moment. The good news, if your choices got you here, your choices can get you somewhere better. Think about it. The system isn't your dad. Here's another tough pill to swallow. The court system doesn't exist to fix your life or make sure you feel validated as a man. The court is not your dad. It's going to come tuck you in at night. No. It's going to tell you you're a good boy. No. And promise to make that evil woman pay for hurting your feelings. No. The court doesn't care. It's there to make decisions based on stability, safety, the kid's best interest. And if you walk in acting like a rage-fueled YouTube comment section, guess who that goes to? Not you. And it doesn't go very well. The path forward. So what's the solution? I'll tell you. Radical self-honesty. Preparation, not panic. Calm, stoic action. Showing up like you're the adult to claim you claim to be. Yes, fight for your rights. Yes, get a good solicitor if you need one, or a Mackenzie friend. Yes, stand up for yourself, but also look in the mirror and ask, what part did I play in this mess? What do I need to change so I never end up here again? Because otherwise, guess what? You'll spend the rest of your life blaming judges, women, feminism, the Illuminati, and your Mackenzie friend, instead of fixing your own damn life. If you're a man heading for the family court, already neck deep in it, here's my final piece of advice. Stop looking for someone else to blame. Start looking in the mirror own your shit, and then fix it. Because blaming the world is easy, but fixing your life, now, that's how you win, surely.